Getting your house ready to go on the market can sometimes seem like an overwhelming chore. We've simplified it with 8 tasks that you can do to get your house ready to launch. Hi, I'm Melody Moser with the Powerhouse team at Next Home Navigator, and I've been selling real estate for 30 years in Utah. Welcome to our channel. And if you've been here before, welcome back. And let's get down to business. Obviously, we help a lot of sellers get their homes ready for the market. We've learned a lot over the years based on our own moving experiences and the expertise of people just like you. Today, I really wanted to make it simple with just 8 things for you to focus on. Number 1, pack it up. You are moving soon, so start packing. Take this opportunity to get a head start on your move by packing up rarely used items as you go. It's far easier to deep clean and sparkle a space if there's no clutter. We have found the best place to get boxes is at your local U-Haul store, where you can buy boxes that are all the same size. That makes it much easier to stack and store while you're showing your home and prepping to move. Number 2, remove the clutter. Be sure that any clutter around the home is picked up and put away. You'll be an expert at clutter cleanup by the end of this process because you'll do it now and again before each showing. It's easier to maintain a show-ready home if you start the packing process early. Pack up the things that typically cause clutter, like extra shoes and coats that are by the door, or you get in great housekeeping habits like completing laundry from start to finish. Number 3, deep clean. And we mean deep clean. Clean your light fixtures and make sure all the bulbs are working. Wipe down your cabinet fronts. Wash windows inside and out. Really get your house in white glove clean and sparkling condition. For tips on a whole house deep clean, check out the link above. Number 4, pack up your closets. Closets can be a horrifying place where buyers take a peek at your personal life. We recommend packing up off-season clothes and any items on the shelf that you won't be using for the next few months. After packing up and thinning out rarely used items, step back and take a look at the organization. Make sure it's neat and tidy and looks very spacious. Buyers want to know that all their clothes are going to fit in their new closet. Number 5, remove odors. According to the American Pet Products Association, 70% of U.S. households live with pets. And pets come with not so much fun odors. Whether it's a litter box or a puppy pee pad, be sure to clean up after your pets immediately. It may be even necessary to make a plan to completely remove the odors with a professional deep carpet clean or ozone generator. You can find a link to our current vendors and contractors to help you with removing odors in the description below. Number 6, depersonalize. You want your buyers to be emotionally invested in your house. So depersonalize the space in order for them to visualize their own family enjoying it. Remove all personal photography. Pack up your religious artwork and icons. And you'll definitely not want your politics out in the open. It's like dirty underwear. These things that are left out can really turn off a prospective buyer. Your goal is to allow all the buyers to fall in love with your house and not restrict them or turn them off in any way. Number 7, open up the space. Too much furniture in a small space will make it feel crowded. Store extra furniture in the garage or a storage unit. Visualize a hotel when considering the staging. Hotels place just enough furniture for utility and have very neutral decor, where anyone from any walk of life can come in and feel comfortable and at home. You want that same feeling in your house. Number 8, curb appeal. First impressions mean everything. You don't want a driveway showing, which is when a buyer pulls up in front of the house and then changes their mind about even coming inside just due to the curb appeal and condition of the outside. Trim the grass or shovel the snow. Be sure the entry is clean and free of spider webs and dust. Many times buyers stand at the entry for several minutes waiting to get let in. They take that opportunity to look around and they'll notice cobwebs or tough door locks. Unless it's Halloween, be sure you don't have a spooky entry. Well, that's it. 8 simple tasks to get your home ready to go on the market. Please thumbs up if you liked it. We have more tips for you to get your home sold. And when you're ready, contact us to navigate to your next home.